Hi guys, it's Crystal with Bee Kreative. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make this beautiful rustic American flag wall hanging. For this activity, you're going to need 4 small sticks, some larger sticks, red, white, and blue paint, a paintbrush, a hot glue gun and hot glue sticks, string, and scissors. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to grab your 4 small sticks and arrange them in a rectangle shape. Next, you want to take your bigger sticks. Mine are white because I have primed them already. The primer helps your colors look more vivid when you paint. You want to arrange your bigger sticks on top in a rectangle however you like, and you want to hot glue each stick together. Once dry, flip your flag over and add more hot glue where needed. Gluing around the base sticks will add more stability to your rustic flag wall hanging. Once your hot glue has dried and is cool, you want to clean off all of the dried glue strings and draw your rectangle that you're going to be painting blue. Alright guys, now for the fun part. It is time to paint. You want to start with your white stripes, and then you can move on to red, and then you can move on to blue. Make sure you don't mix your colors and let it dry completely. Once your flag is dry, it's time to add the stars. You can paint them or use stickers. For this piece, I used a star hole punch I just happened to have laying around, and I glued them on. Alright guys, we're almost done. Now it's time to add the string. Grab your string, and you want to double knot your string on the first small stick under the large stick. Keeping your string as tight as possible, double knot it on the other side. And there you go, one rustic American flag wall hanging just for you. If you enjoyed making this activity, make sure that you like, subscribe, and share this channel so that you can make more fun things with Bee Kreative. Thank you.